I would of course like to congratulate the principal, the teachers and the staff, not only for this absolutely brilliant performance that we saw today, but for preparing your children for comparing. It was absolutely a pleasure for me to see this discipline in a school. There is some kind of system to the program, and I was really liked what I saw in the TonsBridge School. So we should let the child do what he is best at. If he is good at singing, encourage him. If he is good at sports, encourage him. We will have to teach him certain things. Spirituality, dhairya, patience. That's why I say every child should play sports, because that is one instrument which will teach you patience, which will teach you tolerance. So we need to encourage our children to play sports. I would also appreciate what Nagarji said. Health, extremely important. What is our child eating? How much is he eating? Is he playing, or is he from the mobile going on to the iPad, going on to the computer and then back to the mobile? थपेड़े इतने जीवन में मिलते हैं, और अगर हमने तो ये terms like depression and suicide ये तो सुने ही नहीं थे. We don't know what it is. We still don't know what it is, because we have lived a very, very tough childhood. Right from childhood, it was tough for us. So make your child tough, make him confident, make him very, very sure about himself. Teach him the right values, which are very, very important. Parents also need to work with the school, hold their hand, because we are all working towards one goal, and that is to see that our children grow up to be a very good citizen of this country.